This is your 1-minute coder news from the Voice of Custom Coding. In an open letter from Axel Nobel, Alan Alex, Regional Commercial Director, North America, stated that the temporary price increase ranging from 6 to 10%, depending on the product, will take effect immediately. The factors behind the situation are varied, but include increased global demand, supply chain disruptions, shortages of key feedstocks, global and regional suppliers curtailing production, tariffs, and recent shortages and cost increases in the shipping industry caused by the pandemic. They are closely monitoring the critical factors and plan to reevaluate pricing as soon as it's feasible. Axel Nobel reassured its customers that it's doing everything possible to mitigate the impact of the situation. And that's been your 1-minute coder news. See you next time.